How to fix contacts not showing in WhatsApp on iPhone 15, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. So if you want to fix your contacts not showing in WhatsApp on iPhone 15, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings. Under your settings, scroll all the way down and tap on apps. Under your apps, you need to go with your WhatsApp application. Tap on WhatsApp. On your WhatsApp, you need to go with contacts. Make sure that you've given full access to your contacts. Once you've given full access to your contacts, it might fix your problem. If that doesn't fix your problem, then you can check your iPhone contacts. If you don't have that contact, then it will not show in WhatsApp. So make sure that you've saved the contact first and then go with WhatsApp and search that contact on your WhatsApp. Now, if that still doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you can do is you can go with your App Store. On your App Store, you can go with search, and under search, you can search for WhatsApp. After searching for your WhatsApp, you can go and update it. If you have any updates, you need to go with update and update your WhatsApp Messenger. After updating, your problem will be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then open up your settings. Under settings, you can go with privacy and security. Under privacy and security, you need to scroll down, go with contacts. And here also, you need to just scroll down, go with WhatsApp and make sure that you've given the access. Now, if this still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to open up your settings again. Under your settings, you need to scroll down, go with general section. Under general, go with software update. And if you have any updates, you need to go and update your software. After updating, your problem will be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.